In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Curve Spike Volleyball Legends. So the Curve Spike is a godly ability from the Volleyball Legends. So it can be obtained through spinning with a 1 in 2 chance of obtaining it out of the godly rarities, which has a 0.49% chance of being rolled on normal ability spin with 4.5 chance on lucky ability spin. Activating this ability will enhance your next spike, and upon spiking, the ball will spin in alignment with your tilt. This can be used on serves too, which can prove extremely effective with skill. So tilting forward will make the ball continuously float forward. Tilting backward will make the ball float and slow down after a certain distance, then float backwards after it reaches a certain distance. Tilting left or right will make the ball curve in those directions. You can combine directions for a more technical curve, such as back left tilt if you're facing a little too much to the right and the ball is just barely behind you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.